Question number 5, we have this diagram shows the curve of the equation. This is y and the curve meets x axis at point 0 and 4. So, this point O is 0 0 and point this one is 4 here 4 0, right. These are the coordinates and we are looking for the area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region is area under this curve from limit 0 to 4 as it is along x axis. So, we are going to find out the area of integration area of the curve. This is 10 x power half minus 5 over 2 x power 3 over 2, right. So, now we are looking for the integration. So, we are going to integrate that y dx. So, that is going to be 10 x power half minus 5 over 2 x power 3 over 2 into dx, right. So, now then we will have the integration. So, 10 x power half plus 1 over half plus 1 minus 5 over 2 x power 3 over 2 plus 1 over 3 over 2 plus 1, right. Limit is from 0 to 4. 0 to 4 I will write over here. So, then let us simplify now. This is going to be 2 over, this is 3 over 2, it will become 2 over 3 here times 10 raised to power 3 over 2 minus 5 over 2 times this is 2 over 5, because this is 5 over 2 and it will be reciprocal of this over here, and then we have x power 5 over 2 here and the limit is from 0 to 4, right. So, now again let me rewrite. This is 2 by 3 x power, this is this I missed x here, 10 into x. So, 2 times 10 it is going to be 20 x raised to power 3 over 2 minus this is cancelled 5 and 2, then we have x raised to power 5 over 2 and the limits are from 0 to 4. Now, we are going to substitute the limits. So, this is going to be 20 times x is 4 can be written as 2 squared, then 3 over 2 minus x is 4, again I will write it in 2 power 2, then 5 over 2, this is 1, then when we are going to put 0, this is 0 minus 0, because here is x is 0, x is 0. So, now this is 20 times this is gone 2 power 3 it is 8 minus 2 power 5. So, this is 160 over 3, sorry we are missing 3 here, over 3 minus 32. Then we have 160, take LCM, 96 over 3 is equal to 64 over 3. So, this is 21 1 over 3. So, this is our final answer, right. So, this is the answer. Now, number 6, we have another diagram here. As you can see, the diagram shows a sector OAB of the circle with center O. This is OAB with center O. Angle AOB is theta, radian, it is in radians. Now, OP and is equal to AP. OP and AP are equal, which is given to us x and x. Show that the arc length AB is 2x cos theta. So, length of arc AB, we know the formula is r theta. Now, theta is in radian. So, first of all we need to find out the length of this, we are looking for this length of arc and we have the angle theta here. So, r we do not know, we do not have the value of r, the radius here, this is the radius, right. So, for that we are going to use the sine formula. As you can see, like OA over sine OA and angle opposite to that, this angle, as this is x sorry, this OP and this PA are equal, which is x and x. So, that means opposite angles are going to be equal. If this is theta radian, this is also theta radian. So, this is then the total sum of the angles is 2 pi. Sum of the angle is 180, that is pi. So, this is going to be pi minus 2 theta, pi minus 2 theta, because theta plus pi is this angle is equal to pi, right. So, I am taking here sin pi minus 2 theta will be equal to x over sin theta, x one side divided by the sine of the other side equals to sin theta. So, now OA sin pi minus 2 theta is sin 2 theta, and this is equal to x over sin theta. Now, if we observe that this side we have sin 2 theta, this side we have sin theta. So, we can convert that. Let me first write down OA. When you cross multiply, this is going to be x times sin 2 theta. Now, sin 2 theta we have the formula 2 sin theta cos theta over sin theta. So, now this sin theta is gone. So, we are left with 2x cos theta. This is our OA, right. So, this is OA. Then we are going to put here our value. So, R is OA, the radius, times theta. So, OA is 2x cos theta into theta. So, this can be written as the way they asked us. This is 2x theta, here 2x theta cos theta. Right. So, this is the length of arc. Now, part B, find the area of the shaded region APB. So, we are looking for this one now, this shaded part in terms of x and theta. Now, we know the formula of the area, sector area. Sector area is half r square theta when theta is in radian. So, we have half, radius we have got that previously 2x cos theta squared times theta, right. We have replaced r by this. Now, half times 4x squared cos square theta into theta, right. So, this is going to become 2x squared cos square theta into theta. So, this is sector area, and now we are looking for the area of the triangle AOP, this one, then we will subtract it. Now, area of triangle AOP, area of triangle AOP is equal to half times x times sine pi minus 2 theta. We have used the formula of area as half AB sine C, right. So, then half and x times x is x squared, sine pi minus 2 theta is sine 2 theta. So, this is second equation. Now, the shaded area is going to be 1 minus 2, that means area of the this, the whole part, area of the sector minus area of the triangle will give us the area of the shaded part. So, we are going to subtract these two. So, this is 2x squared cos square theta times theta minus half x square theta sine 2 theta, right. So, from here if you see x squared is common. So, we will have then 2 theta cos square theta minus half sine 2 theta, right. So, that is the answer. This is our answer, this question.